Hey friends, I got my BoxyCharm for the month of May, and the theme this month is The Secret Garden. Hey Patrick Star. Okay, so the first thing that I got here is the Benefit Professional Cleanser. This is $29 if you buy it on your own. I also got the 8 Saints Brightening Treatment, and I can't wait to try this out. It's kind of expensive, so I'm glad it is here. Also, this Polite Society Greatest Lash Mascara. This is huge, guys, and it's very heavy. I can't wait to try this one. It reminds me of the Benefit mascara. Then I got an eyebrush trio brush set. So I'm so excited to try this. This is vegan and the quality is amazing, and it's soft and it's fluffy, and I'm pretty sure that it will pack a punch when you're applying your eyeshadows. And then I got this big giant palette from Ciate London, and this is 24 eyeshadows. It's called the I Am Woman Volume 2 palette, which is so amazing and perfect for spring. All in all, I'm pretty happy with what I got, and if you want to sign up, the link is in my bio. Bye!